Hello everyone and welcome to 7264 Riverview Street in Navarre, Florida. We are in the 32566 today. We are in the beautiful neighborhood of Holley by the Sea. So you've got an easy commute from 98, but you're in a nice neighborhood. This is the Carlton B floor plan from Holiday Builders. It is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom house and features over 2,200 square feet of living space. As you can see, you do have a 2-car garage and a cute covered porch to welcome you on the exterior. So let's get inside and take a look at this 2023 build. As you can see, you've got neutral paint and flooring throughout. You do have LVP for the flooring, nice high ceilings, recessed lighting. In addition to the 3 bedrooms, you do have an office as well. Got a beautiful bright double window. And then to your left upon entering, you do have a bedroom and a full bathroom. And what's great about this is it does have an exterior door to shut off this entire hallway. So you could easily have guests over and they would have their privacy. Coming into the first full bedroom, you do have carpet in here and another bright double window. Ceiling fan as well. And the other side of the room for you here, you do have the aesthetic double doors going to the closet. Behind this door here, you do have a linen closet and a full bathroom. So you do have a tub shower combo in here. Single vanity, granite countertops, and bright lighting in here. Coming into the main living area, you do have a large living room, recessed lighting in here, and this hallway will take you to the other bedroom. Double doors leading out to the patio, covered patio. And just across from the living room, you do have the kitchen, so they are open to each other. You have a lot of options with this living room. You could have a dining nook, a dining area in here as well, or you could leave it as one large living room, because in addition, you do have a dining area in here as well. It's really just whatever you prefer. So coming into the kitchen, you do have the beautiful white cabinetry, an island with a breakfast bar. You do have the double sink, stainless steel appliances. You do have a gas range here, a built-in microwave. And this is a Samsung refrigerator. It does have the colored panels, but the owners do have the stainless steel panels if that is a look you would prefer, but the pop of color is great too. Got a beautiful island just anchoring all of the kitchen together. And then in this hallway, you do have a pantry in here. Okay, I'll take you down that hallway shortly, but first we will go into the primary bedroom, which is located just off the kitchen here. So you do have carpet in this bedroom as well. And as you can see, it is a quite large bedroom. You do have ceiling fan in here along with recessed lighting and these beautiful windows looking out into the backyard. This lot is very pretty. It's tree lined, and we'll take a look at that shortly. Coming into the master bathroom, you do have this beautiful double vanity, under sink storage, granite countertops, large mirror, and a nice tiled walk-in shower. Tiled all the way to the ceiling there. A linen closet for added storage. And a water closet for the commode. What I love about this primary bathroom is this large walk-in closet. There is so much space in here. Got a lot of options for shelving. It's nice that they are tiered. Really makes the best use of the space. All right, coming out of the primary bathroom, I will take you down the hallway that we saw with the pantry and show you the other bedroom and bathroom. And on our way, we will pass the laundry room. You do have a door so it can be its own space and shut off from the rest of the house. And this hallway leads us to where we were when we walked in. So there is the front door. And as we come down this hallway, you do have access from the 2-car garage. The 2-car garage does have pull-down stairs for extra storage, and then the garage door does have bracing on it for hurricane protection. Coming into the 3rd full bathroom we'll see today, you do have a single vanity, beautiful granite countertops, very bright lighting in here, and this bathroom does have a tub shower combo as well. Nice bright bathroom, great location within the house for having guests over. And then you do have a linen closet here for extra storage. It's a great placement considering the garage is right there. You could have a coat closet as you go to and from the property. And our 3rd and final bedroom, also carpeted with a ceiling fan in here. You've got a nice size room in here and your closet, of course. So all the bedrooms are kind of in their own nook of the house, allowing privacy for everybody. And just a great floor plan all around. Once again, this is the Carlton B floor plan from Holiday Builders. This house does also have a sprinkler system, so let's step outside and see the beautiful backyard. One of the best perks of being in Holley by the Sea is how quiet it is, and as you can hear, there is not a lot going on in this backyard. It's completely surrounded by beautiful pine trees, really gives you a woodsy feel. So half-acre lot here. And then here is the beautiful covered porch. Once again, this is 7264 Riverview Street in Navarre, Florida, located in Holley by the Sea, zip code 32566. This is a beautiful 2023 Holiday Builders build and has been very well taken care of. Come check this one out, guys.